Hey guys, Johnny Rocket here. Now, here's a call to action. Next week, I'm going to be in Pittsburgh on July 10th, 11th, and 12th. And I want 3 students who are willing to do a group lesson to meet me in Pittsburgh from 2 to 4 p.m. on each of those days. And we're going to do a group lesson for 2 hours instead of a private lesson. I've been working hard on making the product more efficient. So now we can do the same 4-day program that you've seen in other videos in just 3 days now. So if you want to meet me in Pittsburgh, we'll give you the group lesson rate. I know it's a last minute call, but next week on July 10th, 11th, and 12th, I'll be in Pittsburgh and I'd love to see you there.